Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Roblox UGC program. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is log into your Roblox account. And under forum, just scroll down to find the application link. So here it is, this one. Tap on the link and you'll be redirected in this page. And in here you can read this letter where it says that UGC applications are currently closed now. So since it's currently closed for now, make sure that you stay updated to keep you informed about the latest developments and to let you know when will they start to accept applications again. So while waiting for Roblox to accept new UGC applications, you can actually practice and develop your 3D modeling and design skills in Blender 4.2. Blender is a powerful tool for creating 3D assets, and many Roblox UGC creators use it to design their items before uploading them to the platform. So by the time Roblox starts accepting new UGC applications, you'll be well prepared with a strong set of skills and a collection of models ready to go. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!